Because so much hair, mate. Now, you go,
We're nearly done. Nearly done with our comparison.
Yeah, if there's a time to wax your legs, it's definitely not in the winter. So I don't know why we've chosen that. But for the Patreon content, sign up to Patreon.
G'day, Ninja and Maddie here. Going to do a little bit of a different video. We've got Maddie over here. If you come over here, Leo, you can see.
Look at this disaster.
Compare the pair. We've got a really hairy leg here.
Spot the difference.
Got a really nicely waxed leg. So yeah, what we're going to do is Maddie's going to compare. I'm going to compare as well what it's like to treat a really hairy leg, how much wax we need, and then how it's going to feel. So if I can tune in as well, whatever, and how does it feel for Maddie as well? So
yeah, true. It's going to feel quite interesting for you. You get to feel one leg is a lot harder to treat. Obviously, the hairy leg.
Yeah.
And one is going to be nice and smooth.
Yeah. So I'm just going to do a bit of a hamstring on you for a start. So a bit of wax on. So
at the moment, the difference is one's cold and one's not cold.
Yeah, you've been walking around for a week with one hairy leg. How's that been for you, man? You've been feeling a bit conscious, self-conscious and that, or?
Well, you know how we're a bit when we go barefoot. Yeah. We are a bit. I'm a bit self-conscious sometimes if I go out in public because people look at you. It's like annoying, but this was definitely another element of
another
that.
level.
Like, he's barefoot walking down Richmond Bridge Road, and then also one leg's got no hair on it.
Yeah. No, I'd be owning it, mate. I'm trying to do it this way, mate. Like, this is a new fashion.
Yeah, it could be it's a fashion statement.
Yeah, it is.
Everyone got these hipsters nowadays. So.
Yeah. One hairy leg, one bare leg.
Well, people shaving half their head now.
Yeah.
They got the mallet.
I just shaved through the middle. I've been doing that for a while.
Oh yeah, good fashion.
Just setting a trend.
How's that trend catching
It's good.
on?
It's good.
Heaps of people rocking it.
Yeah, they like it. People relate to me and that.
Yeah. Oof.
How's that feeling?
It feels good. I know if you were to do like drags,
I try and do a bit more
stuff that hurts
of a gouge.
So like that, I can tell their hair's pulling a bit, but I'm used to that, and but it's still fine. Like I would put up with this because I have my whole puberty life. But I actually am excited for the other leg because when Aaron treated me last week for the quad, it was actually pretty cool. Yeah. It was like, wow, I actually feel it getting in different areas. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So just did on that hamstring tendon, and then I just dragged it a little bit. So don't even have any wax on this elbow, and see if we can kind of feel the difference. I might need a little bit of wax to do that drag bit, but yeah, I'm going to get right up in to the origin of the hamstring where it goes onto that sit bone. I can actually get in there. I feel like I can get my bearings a little bit better, even just visually and feeling. Yeah. How's that feel for you, man?
There's no, obviously no pulling. There's no worry about, it's going to pull a bit. It's just fine. Yeah, cool.
So and I'll try and do a bit of a slide down, like to gouge that and really flush the hamstring. So I can do that without even any wax.
This is cool, yeah.
How's that feel?
Yeah, I'm getting my hamstrings treated.
Yeah, hamstrings are treated for once, not just getting the hairs pulled on, huh?
Not getting a wax at the same time, no.
Yeah.
Oof, it's good.
Yeah, so just sort of going through a little bit. No wax at all. How's that feel, man?
Yeah, getting some cool referrals is good. Get some interesting feeling to the glute a bit, which is nice. I had something go to the foot before.
Yeah. So this is good.
Yeah.
So if I do a little bit of wax on my thumbs, I'll just do a little gouge for you, just so you can feel it.
Oh, God. You
can see those hairs there, mate.
Yeah, you can see the hairs. Oh no. Need to get the ass wax or something, or just leave it.
We'll get that.
Shit.
Next week, get the
shivers.
A little bit more waxing done.
Oh, I don't know if I'll do it on camera.
Patreon.
I don't know, it's a bit exposing.
Yeah, private area for you, mate, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, really deep through there, but just a little bit of wax and I can work through. If I try and do that on the other side, man, how's that going to feel?
fucking still hurts for me.
Yeah.
I know when I've tried this for clients, it's just a bit annoying because you can't really feel the layers as much,
Yeah.
especially when it's got thick hair.
Yeah, so let's do a bit of flossing through a tendon here. So this might be a good kind of one for you to kind of feel. I can feel those hairs just pulling just on my thumb when I'm just doing that.
We're just throwing shots at all the hairy people out there. It's like, oh, the hair's just shit. If you're a client, shave your legs. No, it's all right. I put up with it.
How did it feel getting waxed last week, matey?
Yeah, actually, I could tolerate it a fair bit. And then as soon as Jason, Aaron took lead on the start waxing. Oh my word! It hurt because they pulled the wrong way or something, right?
Yeah, I didn't take the slack out of your skin. They just sort of
let
it rip.
Just absolutely.
So we're just going to do a bit on. I'll do this one. You can see it a bit better.
Yo. Yeah. Oh, she got a client.
Yeah.
No.
Not till you're right.
Ask what she wanted.
No, it's all right.
That's all right.
So how does that feel?
Yeah,
So you can
feels
just see how that just sort of slides like that.
Yeah.
Just nice and easy.
Just gliding.
Yeah. Working through what I want to get into. Whereas on the other side, I'll just try that again. So put it. You feel the difference?
Well, it feels like it's not. I don't know. It's not. It feels like it's just gripping on the skin a bit, or obviously point the hair. Oh, crikey.
Yeah, just gripping.
Yep. So very unpleasant.
Yeah.
And not nice.
Yeah.
Mm.
And so we do a little bit down through your calf.
Oh no.
So just sort of do a little flush on that.
Shivers.
How's that, man?
I mean, it's just I can feel the tightness and soreness in the calf.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah.
No. I haven't had this done in freaking yonks. Flipping heck. Oh, crikey, Moses. Oh, fuck you, cunt. Oh, you're giving it. Oh, go. Oh.
So that's starting to move it. I've got quite a bit of wax on there. Taking a bit to move. I'll do this side.
Oh, my word.
Doesn't his legs look different too?
Yeah.
Like when he was sprinting last week, it was just,
so cold.
yeah, it was just one leg's just shredded. It was ripped.
The
Didn't
Barbie
realise
doll.
you were so shredded, Matty.
Oh, yeah, we never knew. Now we do.
No one knew.
Oh, this side's the worst.
Just a mystery what was underneath these hairs.
Oh,
You
shit.
actually got a really shredded legs, mate.
Oh, mate, keep bumping my ego, mate. This is good.
You're shredded. Shredded.
Go lighter, please.
Go lighter. What are you talking about?
Fucking hell. Oh.
We're just trying to see if the hairs pull out.
There's no hairs there, mate.
No hairs. It's just you're soft. Mate.
Oh, yeah, during the sprints, it was cold. There was so many goosebumps on that leg.
Yeah.
I don't know if there was goosebumps on that side. Couldn't see because so much hair. Fuck, mate. Fucking hell.
We're nearly done. Nearly done in our comparison.
Yeah, if there's a time to wax your legs, it's definitely not in the winter. So I don't know why we've chosen that. But for the Patreon content,
Yeah.
sign
Anyway,
up to Patreon.
How's that feel, man?
Feels great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just do a little bit of a calf money spot, just to complete the treatment. So this one doesn't really matter so much because you're just sort of pinning things.
Ah, shit. Oh, you got fucking strong thumbs, eh?
Strong thumbs,
no
you reckon?
mercy
Big
today.
thumbs.
Big thumbs, big gloves.
Yeah. Like that. So yeah, you can just sort of see so much easier where I'm at in that calf, that position, the bottom of the gastroc. So yeah, that's our money spot there.
Crikey.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
there we go, little experiment with the hairy versus non-hairy, and yeah, how'd it go, man?
Yeah, it was fun.
You can actually see some redness through here too, like where the hairs have been pulled on, and it's just very different
Yeah.
on that side.
Might
so-
be splitting our audience
Yeah.
here a bit
I know
today.
people love your hairy legs, don't they, mate? So,
Yeah,
look at that.
they're crying. Having a whinge? Nah.
It's such a different.
Yeah. Still got the difference. Still got the hair.
Look at that.
That's a bit awkward, but
Yeah.
no one can see that, so it's all good.
Yeah, we'll get Nina onto it.
No, I don't
Anyway,
Cool.
thank you for watching.
Thanks.
Like and subscribe.
Start the Patreon.
Patreon is good. Patreono, you'll see all us characters. You know.
Yeah.
What are we doing? We're
Peanut
just
gallery.
uninhibited, aren't we, really?
We're just doing different treatment videos.
Being ourselves even more.
Yeah.
So yeah, join up and do the online course if you're keen, if you're a practitioner out there, you want to learn how to treat like us, how to fix. Yeah, we'll show you how to do it. So
Cool.
done.
Goodbye.